I'm sure you've heard the news. Light speed is super fast, but just how fast? Let's dive in. All right, picture this. You're on a rocket ship zooming around Earth. At light speed, you'd circle the globe 7 times in just 1 second. Yep, light travels at a blistering 186,282 miles per second. That's like going from New York to LA and back 33 times in the blink of an eye. But wait, it gets crazier. If you could travel at the speed of light, time would literally slow down for you. A 5-year journey might feel like just a moment. It's called time dilation, and it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. So next time you flick on a light switch, remember, those photons are racing through your room, faster than you can say, speed of light. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, science is amazing.